Hey stamping friends, this is Jill with Flourishing Finishes, and I'm really excited to be here today. So, have you seen the turtles? I mean, the Turtly Awesome stamp set. Super cute. For many of us, we've seen it for many months. A lot of people have probably used it a ton. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just falling in love with this little guy. So, I want to use him today. Before we take a closer look at the stamp set that I'm going to be making, I want to let you know to be sure you watch the entire video till the end because I have a giveaway and some promotional things going on that I don't think you're going to want to miss. So let's take a closer look at the card. This is the card that we're going to be making today. We were really focusing on something relatively quick and cute. We love using the texture and the designer series paper of the Turtley. I did not bring the paper. The whole pack is super cute. We do have the Turtley stamp set. We are going to be using the little guy that looks like he's dancing, the microphone, and the Hurray. We're also going to be using the Hope Your Birthday is Turtley Awesome for the inside. We are using the turtle textures, super, super cute. And then let's discuss the colors and the dimensions of the cardstock that you need so we can dive in. We are going to need a black ink pad, which I don't have, Anthony, and we're going to need colored pencils and a blending brush. And then what we are going to need is we're going to need garden green paper, cut 8.5 to 5.5. We are going to need a sheet of white, cut to 5 1/4 by 4. That's going to be for your inside. On the outside, we're going to need a piece of Granny Apple Green, cut to 5 1/4 by 4, and we are going to texture it. The thing I love is that then you can kind of pick. I mean, both sides are almost identical, but one pops a little bit more. You can use whatever side you would like. Then we are going to have a piece of Early Espresso, cut to 5 3/4 by 3 1/4. The cute Turtle DSP, cut to 4 1/2 by 3. He's going to go right on top. That's what the backside looks like if you guys do have the paper and you're looking for that piece. And then we're going to get a piece of Garden Green, 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, and a piece of white, 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. So once we have all of this, we can go ahead and dive in. I tend to build a little backwards, which most of you guys know if you've seen my videos before. So I'm going to go ahead and crease my card. I do want to go ahead and get my white inside, and I'm going to get my Hope Your Birthday is Turtley Awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp. I could see that the center did not get ink and I still did it anyway. So second time's a charm. Beautiful. So then I'm just going to put the black back on my ink. I'm going to go ahead and put this inside. And then I'm going to build a little bit of the top of the card to get the things out of the way. So my adorable turtle textured Granny Apple Green. I'm going to put my DSP, which is super cute on the other side too, on my Early Espresso. And I'm going to always being lazy and not doing 4 corners and my adhesive got mad at me. Okay, I know, sometimes it does frustrating things. Okay. And then I will go ahead and just, you might be looking at my arm right now, get my 4 dimensionals. Get him ready to go. And then I can just set this aside for right now. So then I have my image. So with that, I can get my black and my turtle. I can go ahead and stamp him. Super cute. The Hurray goes right on top. Super cute. I think he's crooked, but he's singing, so does it matter? I'm gonna say no. And then his microphone, which I did get in his hand. How cute. Thought I was gonna miss that one. Okay, so we have him. Now we just need to color him. So it looks like we just need the smaller set, the watercolor 2, because we're going to use the granny apple and the garden from it. So then we're just gonna color. Super, super fun. Super simple. I feel like his tummy maybe is just not, it's the granny, but it's not as dark. So his tummy is light granny. So let's just, and then we got dark granny through here. So let's see if we can. I'm shaking the camera, so if y'all are watching, I am sorry, but hopefully you guys are all coloring so you don't see me shaking the screen. Okay, so now, oh, I gotta color the shell. All right, so you definitely can do any kind of coloring in whatever shade you'd like. I feel like as I'm coloring dark, I'm gonna then go do this light so it'll be a little bit darker. There we go. Then I need to do with the tummy. Okay. Super cute. So simple, cute. Then we can go ahead and stick them on our card, which I gotta find. Okay. Oh. Sometimes I miss pieces. Okay, so there we have it. What do you guys think? Super cute, huh? Relatively simple. You can obviously make it a lot more complex. The super cute stamp set, we could have added some little music notes, all kinds of things. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Whether you have the Turtle stamp set, dies, paper, any of it or not, the promotion that I'm offering or the little giveaway that I'm offering is for all of you. So if you would like a chance at winning the Turtle dies for free, I'm doing a drawing. I have 6 sets of dies that I would like to gift to people in a giveaway. So feel free to like my video and comment on my video. If you can upload a picture of your card in the comments, I would love to see what you made with this video, even if you changed up the stamp set and the layout and just used the measurements. And that will enter you into a chance to win a set of Turtle dies. If you have not purchased any of the Turtley stuff, or maybe not all of the stuff, and would like to do that, feel free to reach out, because I would love to let you know about a promotion that I'm offering through my personal business, not through Stampin' Up, through me, Jill Cooper, with Flourishing Finishes. Directly through me. It's an opportunity for you to be able to get the paper, the stamp set, the dies in the raffle, and the paper, that type of stuff, as a bundle deal. So super, super exciting. Feel free to share this video with your friends and enter to win. And I'm really excited to share the winners of those in time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, reach out. Until next time, I hope you flourish.